Hi beautiful people, it's Raja. In this tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can create a survey logic conditional form inside a GoHighLevel. So let me show you. If I'm going to click on the sites and I go to the survey, and I have created a form already. I just want to show you how it works. So yeah, so it is going to like when someone is going to select a specific service, and then it's going to go on the is perfect slide. So suppose here we have the uh, three options we have in a survey form. So suppose if someone is going to select the automation setup, so it is going to skip all other slides. It's going to go on the automation setup. Like here we have the fourth slide, what platform you are using for the automation setup. So let me show you how it works. If I'm going to click on the preview, right, and yeah, I just want to show you how it works. So suppose if I'm going to select the setup over here, if I select the automation setup, right, I'm not selecting the top one or the second or the last one, because I just want to I am interested in automation setup. So if I'm going to select this one and click on the next, now it's going to ask me a specific question that what platform you are using, right? So we're going to say maybe the WordPress or Shopify, and next. Now it's going to go on to the fill out the form to submit the form, right? To fill out the uh, name, phone number, and email. So it was just escaping the other questions, like we have, do you have already a website, do you have the website copy for the funnel. So it was just jumping from one section to another. So how I did that, I created a simply survey form like we do usually in GoHighLevel. Then what I have done, on the top you're going to see here the option open the conditional logic. So if I'm going to click on here, right, so now here we have the conditional option where we can jump to the specific slide. So yeah, so let me to delete this one. So I want to show you exactly how it works. So if I'm going to select the jump to a specific slide, when someone is going to select a specific question, and then it's going to ask them to another query with the specific slide. So it's called the jump. So if I'm going to click on the jump over here, and the field is same, right, we're going to let it be as it is. So we're going to ask one question here, what the service is, uh, here we have, if I'm going to go back, so suppose if we are going to say what the services you are interested, right, so is equal to website development design. So suppose if they're going to select this one, we want them to jump on slide 2, right, and then we're going to click on the save, and now we're going to add another slide to jump on its perfect service on its perfect slide. So likewise, if they're going to select the specific question, so suppose now we're going to say what services are you interested in, it is equal to the funnel setup, right? So now we're going to jump them to the slide 3, right, and then we're going to click on the save, and then now finally we're going to select again what the services you are interested, and then we're going to say is equal to the automation setup, and now we're going to say it's going to jump on the slide 4. So now we're going to click on the save, and then once it's done, we can also uh, click on to display the custom message, whatever you want to do, or redirect to them after the submission of the form. You can redirect this link as well. So right now I'm going to click on the save. So suppose if I'm going to select the automation setup, then it's going to escape the slide 2, slide 3, and it will go on the slide 4, and then to the slide 5 where they're going to capture their information. So this is how survey logic form conditional actually works on the GoHighLevel. So let me show you. If I'm going to click on the save and click on the preview, right, and then now suppose if I'm going to select the automation setup, right, and click on the next, now it's going to ask me what platform are you using. Then if I'm going to say the WordPress and click on the next, now it is just asking me fill out the information, and it just skipped other questions or slides, and it jumped to the specific section. So suppose if I'm going to go back again to here and I want to show you, then if I'm going to select this funnel setup, then it's going to skip the slide 2 and it will jump on the 3. So suppose let me to try that again for you. So if I'm going to select the funnel setup, right, and then click on the next, now it's going to jump to the specific slide. So now it's going to go, do you have a copy for the website? Then if I'm say yes, then it's going to go the next slide, and it's asking, do you have the WordPress, what the platform you are using? Then we say WordPress or Shopify, click on the next, and it's going to ask us to fill out the other information, and then we're going to click on the submit. So yeah, this is how actually survey logic conditional logic actually works in survey form of the GoHighLevel. And if you are totally new here in my YouTube channel, I will ask you, please do not forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. And if you want to have a GoHighLevel website, you can reach out to me via my website rajasain.com. I'm going to give the link below in the description. And yeah, you can see we have worked with more than 1000 clients from all over the world. We have delivered 100 plus project, 100 plus customers, 700 and like 7 years plus experience. You can see their feedback, and then you can see here about the website we have done so far. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. See you in another. Bye bye.